students, this is the 11th part of Introduction to Literary Theory second, and in this we are learning the third point, cultural studies. So in cultural studies we have completed two topics, historical background and core tenet. Now in this part we are going to start the third main topic, and that is key figures. Now key, it means very important, and figure, it means personality or person. Person, personality, or any theorist, any scholar, any writer. Now key figures, this topic we are going to start today. So open your books, page number 197. On that, the second topic, the third topic is key figures given. So in that there is given the name of that key figure, important person, and that is Richard Hogarth. He was born in 1918 and he was died in 2014. Now Richard Hogarth, this was the main person in cultural studies, related to cultural study theory. Now listen the important information about this person. A professor of English at Birmingham University. So Richard Hogarth was a professor of English in the Birmingham University. Was the first cultural critic who laid it means to put to lay the foundations of cultural study as a field of intellectual inquiry. So Richard Hogarth was the first person who was a cultural critics. He was the first cultural critics who laid the foundation. It means that he put the foundation of cultural study as a field of intellectual inquiry. So this was first established the foundation of cultural studies as a intellectual inquiry field. This was established or laid by Richard Hogarth. His book, The Uses of Literacy, Richard Hogarth's book is The Uses of Literacy. This book was published in 1957. The Uses of Literacy. This book was published in 1957. And his establishment, it means to set up. And its establishment of the Birmingham Center for Contemporary. Contemporary, it means living, happening, or working in the same period. Contemporary cultural studies. So, his establishment of Birmingham Center for Contemporary Cultural Studies, which was established by him using the royalty. Royalty it means collected sum or money. Royalty he received on his book. So when Richard Hoggart published a book, The Uses of Literacy, and he sold this book, after this, whatever money he collected after selling his book in 1957, that money, that sum, he used to establish the Birmingham Center of Contemporary Cultural Studies. In 1964, made him a prominent figure. Prominent it means very important. Prominent figure and brought his ideas into public discussion. So after this, in 1964, he was a very important person in this field in literature, and his ideas brought into public discussion in 1964. His chief concern, now concern it means worry. Chief concern was to advocate. Advocate it means support. Advocate expressions of working class life and consciousness. So, the chief concern, worry was to support the expression of working class life and their consciousness. This was the main worry Richard Hoggart was facing in his life. So students, in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Take care all of you. Thank you very much.